All right, guys, 2002 Lexus LS 460. You guys can see that. So it came with all this cut off. So we're like, you know what? And he wants it loud. He's like, I want it loud. I said, I got you. So still got the cats on it there and there. And then we true dueled it all the way back, 2 1/4. The guys at Exhaust Addicts did a beautiful job bending that. Look at that. It's clean, really clean job. All the way back on each side. And then we finished it off nicely with 5-inch black tips. It's gonna sound really nice and clean. Just wait and see. He wanted a barbell. Said, we got you. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Much better. Give me gas. Look at his face. Does that make you happy? Are you happy? That's what he wanted. Again? That's one of the loudest Lexuses you'll hear. Wow. Again? Bro, every time you rev it, it gets louder. It's 121. Again? 118 to 120. That's perfect. If you guys don't know, that's where we're located, guys. I always say it. In good old Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. True dual Lexus LS 430, guys. You cannot beat it. Raw V8 power, guys. That is crazy. I love it. It's a good looking car, too. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Lexus LS 460, ready for the road. He sounds so good. You don't expect it out of a car like this. I love it. Perfect. Here we go. Wow! Beast mode! Lexus LS 460, guys. Wow, that was loud.